Indeed, this is a very solemn yet festive moment. You hear about the marching songs of the People's Liberation Army. Well, in fact, this is the Ode to the Motherland, 歌唱祖国, where every school student in China are taught, and it's a very popular song. It is a patriotic song, and more importantly, it is a song that reminds people about what this country is all about. Again, this is the Ode to the Motherland, 歌唱祖国, a very popular and patriotic song in China. The honor guards carrying the national flag of China is about to walk to the Tiananmen Square under the flag, where a ceremony will be taking place. We see the formation over there. Those are really skilled and highly trained guards. The whole ceremony is about to last for around 2 minutes and 7 seconds. The whole time is matched. It's exactly timed to coincide with the sunrise. But the fact of the matter is the Chinese national flag, March of the Volunteers, or 义勇军进行曲, is only 46 seconds. So how are they going to do about it? Well, in previous years, the organizers played the national anthem of China 3 times. So that will be around 2 minutes, 7 seconds to match the duration of sunrise. So let's see if that is the case this year again. We're about 25 seconds away from the raising of the Chinese national flag on October 1st, China's National Day, marking the 68th anniversary of the founding of the Republic. Let's listen in. Salute.